Hello everyone. In this video I am taking more plane figures. Here this figure is given. It's a trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel and two are non-parallel. Here AB and DC. These are parallel because this arrow shows that these two sides are parallel, but AD and BC are non-parallel. And the distance between the parallel sides, and the distance between the parallel side is known as the height of the trapezium. Height of the trapezium. And the area of this trapezium is, the formula is 1 upon 2 multiply sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides multiply height. This is the formula. So for example, in this figure, if I am taking this parallel line as B and this parallel line as A, this side is A and this side is B, and the height is H. So in this case, the area becomes 1 upon 2 multiply A plus B multiply H square units, because area is always in square units. So 1 upon 2 multiply A plus B multiply H square units. Let me take one example. For example, in this trapezium, this parallel side is 3 centimeter and this parallel side is, let it be 5 centimeter, and the distance between the parallel side is 4 centimeter. So how to find the area? In this, area is 1 upon 2 into A plus B multiply H. Now put the values. 1 upon 2 multiply A is 3 plus 5 multiply H is 4. Then it becomes 1 upon 2 multiply 5 plus 3, 8 into 4. So 2 4s are 4 4s are 16 centimeter square. This is the area of this trapezium. Here I have taken one more question. The two parallel sides and the distance between them are in the ratio 3:4:2. And if the trapezium of this if the area of the trapezium is 175 centimeter square, find its height. So student, here ratio is given and ratio is the ratio of parallel sides. Let it be parallel side. This parallel side is A, this parallel side is B, and this is the height. Height is the distance between parallel sides. So the ratio of A ratio B ratio H is equals to 3 ratio 4 ratio 2. This ratio is given. So let it be, let A is equals to 3x, B is equals to 4x, and H is equals to 2x. And now area is given, and we know that 1 upon 2 multiply sum of parallel sides, that is A plus B, multiply H is equals to area of the trapezium. Area of this trapezium. Now substitute the value, we will get A is 3x, 4x multiply 2x is equals to 175. Now solve this equation. 1 upon 2, 4 plus 3, 7x multiply 2x is equals to 175. So 2 and 2 cancel. 7x multiply x is 7x square, that is 175, and then x square is 175 upon 7. So from here we will get the value of x square is equal to 175 upon 7 is 25. So x is square root of 25, that is 5 centimeter. So the value of x is 5 centimeter. Now the question is find its height. So students, we can find parallel sides also, because A is 3x, now it is 3 multiply 5, 15. B was 4x, 4 multiply 5, 20. But it's given find height, so I am writing height only. So therefore we assumed height as 2x, now it becomes 2 multiply 5, that is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is the height of this trapezium. Now the next shape is parallelogram. So student, parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. In this, AB parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. So the area of this parallelogram is, area of parallelogram, you can write it as this in short form, parallelogram. Parallelogram is equals to base multiply corresponding height. This corresponding height, we have already used this concept in area of triangle also. So again in this, if we are using base, so here base is, if height is given like this, distance between these two parallel lines, AB and DC, distance between these parallel lines, then height is h, and you can take base as AB or you can take DC, because this height is stands on AB as well as on DC. So in this case, area will be AB multiply h. AB multiply h is the area. But if height is given between, distance is given between these two parallel lines, AD and DC, in that case, look at here, in that case, this is the height and this is the distance between AD and BC. In this case, area will be, you can take AD as base or you can take BC as base, because opposite sides are equal. That is why we are taking only one side. So this side BC or AD. So BC multiply, in this height is, let it be L. So in this case, BC multiply L is the area of this parallelogram. So area of parallelogram is base multiply corresponding height. Now here I have taken this question. In this question it is given a parallelogram has sides of 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter. If the distance between the 15 centimeter sides is 6 centimeter, find the distance between 12 centimeter sides. So student, in this case, the area of trapezium, we know that area of parallelogram is base multiply corresponding height. So we are given height corresponding to 15 centimeter sides. Therefore area is 15, base is 15 and height is 6, because this is the height corresponding to 15 centimeter side. So area is 15 multiply 6, that is 90 centimeter square. But now we are, it is required that find the distance between these parallel lines, that is 12 centimeter sides. So now we have area. Area is same because we are using the same parallelogram. So next is base. Now we are taking base, multiply this again corresponding height is equals to area. Now I am writing like this. Now we have area 90 centimeter and the corresponding side is, because we are finding height corresponding to 12 centimeter side. So base is 12 and we are finding height, let it this height be L. So L is 90 upon 12. Now we can solve this. 6 2s are 6 1s, 6 2s are 6 1s are 5, and then 15.2, that is 7.5 centimeter is the corresponding height to this corresponding height, or you can say the distance between 12 centimeter side. So hope you got it. Thank you.